So welcome back, guys. Just as I promised, I've already told you the different blends for handling your fabrics and how to choose them. Now I'm going to show you exactly where to get them from and how to save money when you're shopping for your fabric. So let's just start with spandex, right? A lot of you guys have gyms right in your backyard. So I highly suggest you guys to get from behind those computers, get out in your neighborhoods because you have some hidden gems right there in your neck of the woods. So go to your local fabric stores because you can find some amazing product. Sometimes it's like way in the back, but just go take a look. And if you're not sure, just ask them. Ask them you're looking for any kind of knit or any kind of stretch material, and then start to kind of get familiarized with the texture, get the feel. What you're looking for when you're looking for stretch is the density. It should have some kind of weight. You want it to be opaque, meaning you cannot really see through it too much. And you want it to just kind of flow in your hand. It's kind of like hand in glove. You kind of want that feel when you're dealing with stretch. Now, when you are getting satin, this panel actually came from Event Decor Direct. Their satin line is amazing, it's great quality, and it has the perfect amount of sheen without it being overpowering in your photos. You don't get that flashback. And again, it's not as see-through. So this actually came from Event Decor Direct, but you can look at other companies that carry it as well. But be mindful because satin comes with so many different names. You can get the charmeuse satin, you can get bridal satin. This right here is just regular satin from Event Decor Direct. Great product. Now this is the flat voile, right? Now this actually came from Georgia Expo. When you're using flat voile, you do often have to use a lot because it is transparent. So we're going to talk later on in the course when I'm going to show you exactly how to measure how many panels to use for your backdrop. So when you're getting the flat voile, some of the companies, their colors differ. So you want to just be, a little safe and get swatches. If you get a swatch, you kind of just eliminate the guessing game of, is it really cream? Is it white? Is it ivory, right? Is it beige? You don't really know until you actually get the product at home. So to eliminate that, I highly suggest you guys order yourself a swatch. Now this is one of my faves. This actually came from Fabric Wholesale Direct. Now this is flat. This is sheer as well, but it's crush. Crush sheer tends to give you, it just instantly gives you a more premium look because it's textured. The color pops a little more. It's not, really as transparent as flat voile. And it just gives you that look. And again, not to forget, it's maintenance free. So we always want to kind of stick with maintenance free. So again, this came from Fabric Wholesale Direct. Now we're going to go over to the crush sheer that I showed you guys earlier. This came from CV Linens. Now you guys know I love some CV Linens because not only is this a premium panel, but it's not that expensive. It's not like overly priced. The price is amazing, as well as the quality. This is great quality. Again, it's opaque, meaning you cannot see through it. And you actually can get these in bolts. Now, when you get the bolts instead of the panel, guess what? You have even more savings. And I have a video on that showing you exactly how to turn them into panels the easy way, right? Then lastly, we have, again, the sequin. Again, this came from CV Linens. Now, this is, you want to be careful because they do have two different blends. They have the premium sequin, then they have the mesh sequin. This is the mesh sequin. Now, the reason I like mesh sequin for swags is because it's not stiff. It really has a lot of fluidness to it. It's easy to drape. It's easy to swag. And it's just beautiful. It still gives you that premium look, right? And again, without killing your pockets. So that's just some of the companies that I've actually used and still use when I'm purchasing my drape. Now you can actually see a detailed description down below this video, as well as links to go directly to these products and start saving you guys some money. So now that you have an idea on exactly where to buy your fabric and not really breaking the bank, Now I want to show you guys as far as the accessories, what's actually in my toolkit so you can know how to properly prepare your toolkit so you're not at an event site and in a jam, right? So meet me over in that next video where I can show you exactly what's inside.